Good morning, masters, and good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. So, for joining session today. So, today our topic is spiritual healing. It's one of the most important one which we all need to understand to heal ourselves, right? So, because in our life, in every human being life, we have the days being healthy and there are days being unhealthy. So, how to overcome from that suffering of being unhealthy or how to be healthy forever and how to overcome whenever you have something problems, right? So here it is given that healing happens naturally, so we have to meditate. So we have to meditate more and more. As long as our illness is more, we have to meditate more. So it depends upon, right? See, it depends upon our expense, we have income. Your 40,000 expense, then automatically will go for a job of 50,000. So that always you have little more income than expense. Similarly, we need to have energy. So what we need to balance is energy. So the resistance power in the body is required to be healthy and to be happy. So every human being is looking for two things in their life: to be healthy and to be happy. So here all physical afflictions are because of mental worries. All mental worries exist primarily because of intellectual immaturity. So we can say that lack of maturity or awareness or the required wisdom. Wisdom is all about having the proper spiritual knowledge, what we must have it. Intellectual immaturity exists because of lack of spiritual energy. Yes. So it's always the balancing the energy, right? So you must have to balance the energy. See what medicines gives if you go to the doctor or if you go for anything. So just medicines gives you the energy just to balance it, right? So the effect of it and lack of spiritual wisdom. So we must have the knowledge and awareness what's happening. What is the root cause for that? Again, all diseases exist primarily because of previous negative karma. We have done something negative to others through our thoughts, through our deeds, through our actions, or through our words. So we might have blamed somebody, we might have scolded someone, wantedly, unnecessarily, or through our actions, our words, our deeds. All these create the negativity within ourselves. Until unless the negative karma is neutralized, the disease will not vanish. So we might have done something wrong to some other people. Then we have to understand and we have to say sorry to everyone. Then that is where the knowledge required to understand I have done a mistake. Instead of somebody else says that, okay, you have done mistake, instead of that, okay, meditation gives a self-awareness, my dear friends. So meditation tells us, yes, I have done it mistake. I have to correct that mistake. I have to accept that mistake. Once we accept the mistake, then and only we can correct the mistake, right? So through meditation, what we get? Self-awareness. First we get in the awareness, first we accept our mistake or we accept whatever we have done negative to others, bad to others. Okay. No medicine will ever be of any help to clear the negative karma through meditation. Okay. When we get abundant spiritual energy and spiritual wisdom, the intellectual automatically becomes spiritually mature. So automatically, you know, you have to motivate, not demotivate. You should encourage, not discourage. You should only speak good words. You only should do good things. So you will be in the awareness state. Meditation is the where we are talking about spiritual wisdom. Spiritual wisdom is what? Being in the awareness. Being in the awareness, what to do, what not to do, what to speak, what not to speak, what to think, what not to think. It's in the awareness, being in the awareness. That is what more and more required. If you're in the being in the awareness, you will save your energy first. Once you save the energy, then you can balance all these things. Now, by and by, all mental worldly worries cease and all physical afflictions disappear. Meditation is the only way to heal all diseases at the fundamental level. So, this is what we all need to understand. Now, let me tell you how meditation helps. It's not only giving an energy, it's giving in a wisdom. Let me tell you what is a wisdom. Now, I'm in a village, okay, since the lockdown, so with my parents and family. So, in the villages, I have seen these 2.5 months how the people behaves, how the people talk, how the people make others to suffer. They don't need any squads or knives, right? Just they need only the words to kill others. With their words, they make others to suffer. Just words, something, some bad words, then automatically those people started crying. Generally, these people has changed a lot after seeing these serials, diary serials, right? Many of the ladies used to watch on regular basis. So just by watching the serial, okay, they would only say how to be unhappy. That means how to get doubt on others, how to think that they are not doing good. They won't show. See, in India, in the whole world also, you can consider there are people happily living, happy families, and there are families suffering, right? In the serials, they only show suffering. The families which are suffering, fighting between wife and husband, fighting between mother-in-law and okay, uh, the family, and fighting between the son-in-law and mother. So always this is there. Or doubting your neighbors. Why? These are all the knowledge from where they got. This is called a wisdom in their case. General wisdom. That is not a spiritual wisdom. The general wisdom, just by watching everyday serial for 1 year, that is storing in our mind. We act according to our wisdom, right? Then automatically the serial shows what? Okay, the negativity. So you have to think negativity about others. Then because that is what they are. They are not the true. They are not good. Then automatically that happens in our subconscious mind because we are thinking every day. We are thinking the same every day. We are thinking only negativity about my family or about neighbors, about the village people, and everybody. We have only the impression is negative because that was shown in the serial. Then that was feeded. Every day we are thinking and seeing the same thing, thinking and seeing the same thing. One thought was there in the mind, just they are pouring the water every day. That means they are watching every day. Then one day it will get manifested. They have a fight between the family members. They say, I know this is going to happen. I already saw in the serial. Why did it happen, my dear? It happened because you believed this is going to happen with me. That happened. That was the universal formula. Whatever you believe that is going to happen, either good or bad, universe does not know. You just watch a movie, nothing wrong. Within 3 hours, you will be relieved, right? You just have a fun. You just watch a fun stories, nothing wrong. You'll get more energy. But when you are into this serial, where they are feeding you, okay, some knowledge which is going to affect your family, and which is going to affect your relationship, and which you cannot make you to good friendship with others. Why? The mentally you are disturbed with the general knowledge or a wisdom of by watching a TV. You take the newspapers right now, or news channels right now. A person traveled from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Every day there are thousands of people travels. One person got a small accident, a minor accident. That comes in the news, right? There are 900 people travel safely from Bangalore to Hyderabad. That news won't come. Then this the small accident which has happened is going to read by millions of people, the news readers. And the common man will read. They get fear. So one day is okay. Next day is also the similar news. Third day also the similar news. Slowly the number of accidents increases because the channels, the news channels, making the people to think more negative. The negative news will easily spread. A positive news will not spread that much easily, right? This is what the reality in the world right now. That is where you must be in the awareness. What you are reading, whether it is a positive or negative. What you want? You want positive, you just read only the positivity. I stopped reading newspapers since many years. I just watch news, that also sometimes, not regularly, not at all. I just get to know what is update is going on. But you should be aware whether you are reading the right thing or wrong thing. You're watching a video, right one or wrong one. Now you see in YouTube so many unnecessary channels. So many channels are there. So people are confused which is right and which is wrong. My dear friends, we are so affected by the surroundings, our social media, or the news channels, or the TVs, where we have to be very careful. The spiritual wisdom is going to help you what to think, what not to think, what to listen, what not to listen, what to speak, what not to speak. You will only speak which is going to help you. You'll only listen to the things which is going to help you. So with that, you will not do any negative karma into anybody. With your thoughts or words or deeds, you will not do any negative karma because you want to be positive. What you want to be in the life? You wanted to have a positive life, happy life, healthy life. Then you should do only positivity to others. Or you have to do only, you have to take only positive to within yourself. Then only you can do positive things to others. Otherwise, we will be making so much of disturbance in our life. So my dear friends, spiritual wisdom is all about being in the awareness, and also we should know with whom we are talking or what we are reading or what we are watching. It matters a lot. Now today we are going to do a long meditation to experience a thoughtless stage and to experience an empty mind. So today we are all going to experience. So we are going to do a 40 minutes meditation right now. So uh, for the next 40 minutes, please do not open your eyes. Be with your breath. Challenge your mind. I'll not open my eyes till I say okay. So for the next 40 minutes, don't open your eyes. I'll play the music. Just be with your breath. So that gives us more energy, spiritual energy, and the wisdom, spiritual wisdom. So once you have these two things, spiritual wisdom and spiritual energy, you can balance your body and mind. So once you have that, you can take care of yourself. You are going to be healthy. Then automatically you'll be happy in your life. So just cross your fingers and cross your legs and close your eyes, my dear friends. Please don't open your eyes till I say okay. I'll play the music. Okay. So just be with your breath. For the next 40 minutes, do not open your eyes. Once you feel comfortable, please place hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. Slowly remove your hands and open your eyes. Hope you all had nice meditation and you all have experienced the meditation now. It's very happy if someone share your experience. Please raise your hand. We will unmute. Please share your experience. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. You can unmute yourself. Please unmute. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, madam. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Thank you so much for a long meditation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a very good peaceful meditation, but I wasn't able to go to empty state.
Okay.
Uh, okay, do you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you
Yeah.
right now.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Ravindra sir. Thank you so much. It's enjoyed the long meditation today.
Thank you,
Okay,
madam.
thank you. Yeah,
Thank you, madam. Thank
I
you.
enjoyed a long meditation,
Yeah.
but I couldn't go to the empty state. I
Okay.
was about to go. I, I was feeling like I'm about to go to the empty state and it slips away.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It's just maybe my thoughts are wandering, but I'm focusing and I'm also. Do you know any thoughts on that?
Okay. You felt peace?
Yes, sir. I felt peace, but not the empty state.
Okay. Okay. That's great. You will experience. Still, we have few more classes. This 1 week, or whatever, we left with 5 more sessions. In these 5 more sessions, we want everyone to meditate more for 30 to 40 minutes so that everyone will experience more, right? So we wanted to make everyone to experience because we studied more theory, means that wisdom we got. Now we need to get more experience. So our experience is an the reality for anything, right? So it's not about having only the knowledge. We have to experience. We are all going to experience in the next 5 sessions. I'm sure about it.
Okay. Thank
Thank you,
you,
madam.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Appreciate.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. Please, anyone else? Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Raja sir.
Ravindra sir, this is good today, extremely good today.
Okay.
I like the way the session is.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the way the importance of the meditation, healing, the like whatever the ailments you have.
Hmm.
This is really good actually. I like the session. Uh, Now I got like some like a slight disturbance because of the calls I am getting. I'm still
Yeah.
working other things.
Hmm.
I
Okay.
really like the way it is actually.
So
Yeah,
you had
but one
nice
question I
meditation.
have, yeah. And one question I have is that like apart from the meditation here, you are suggesting us to do the meditation after the classes, like sometime in the daytime or something like that, whenever you get some time.
Hmm. Yeah, you can do anytime. Whenever you
No.
get free time, there's no
Uh-huh.
particular time that we have to meditate. So you can do any time meditation. Just you have to, however you practice the meditation right now, the same practice you have to do. Just play some music and just sit in
Mhm.
meditation.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good, sir. We will do.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. So, dear masters, we will end the session now. Whoever have a time, whoever want to continue the discussion, they can continue. Whoever got some work, you can leave the meeting. So we will have some more time if somebody have some questions or interaction. So this is an optional, because if somebody got office work or anything work, so you can leave the session, no problem. Tomorrow again we will meet at 9 o'clock again, the same time, with a different topic. So in this week, we are going to get two guest speakers. Those I am so inspired by them. So I'll be getting them. Just now I got confirmation. One is on Tuesday, one more is on Friday. So I'll be announcing those details tomorrow. Thank you. So now whoever has some questions, we will discuss that. Yeah, so it's good. Okay, thank you. So, but too many thoughts coming while closing eyes. Due to this, I can't focus on breath and how it can be reduced. So there is a question from Karim Basha. Thank you, sir. So let me tell you this, my dear friends. See, I wore this shirt for 1 day or 2 days, right? After that, I wash it. I can see the dust is going out. When I wore it, I cannot see the dust, which is there inside. But when we are cleaning, then you can see the dust is going out. Similarly, when you are meditating, when you are in the meditation state, you'll have a lot of thoughts. You know why? That many you are thinking in a daily life. That is the proof. So, when you open your eyes, you can see only the things which are there in front of you. The moment you close your eyes, you can see so many things which has happened 1 year before, 2 years before, 3 years before, something you heard or something you listen or something you spoke. All those things comes because those has to be cleaned, because we have not cleaned since these many years of 20, 25 or 30 or 40 or 50 years. So we have to clean our mind every day. Once you completed this, it takes 41 days course. So once this is completed after 41 days, you will easily go for a thoughtless stage or with less thoughts, but still you have thoughts. Still, if I sit in meditation, still I will have thoughts, because every day I'm working, I'm speaking to so many people, I will have thoughts. But the thoughts what I'm having also, which are more useful than unuseful. So I'll be thinking more about the present than either about past or future. Before meditation, we will be thinking more, 90% we will be thinking about either past or future, whereas after meditation we'll be thinking living in the present for okay 90 percentage. So that is where we need to understand. Yes, ma'am, you can unmute yourself now. Yeah.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much for the session, sir. It's very good, the meditation, long period of meditation.
Yeah.
I'm very happy for this.
Yeah.
And sir, I have one question. Like we everyone know recent incident, what was happened in Kerala about elephant brutally killed by human beings.
Okay.
The same thing happened for cow in Himachal Pradesh recently.
Okay.
The thing is like why humans are becoming so cruel, and what we can do like by doing meditation or any like doing spiritual activities, can we change these things like any transformation can we do? How human
By practicing the meditation, by having a spiritual wisdom. Okay. By understanding law of karma and law of what we are giving to others, we will get the same thing. Nobody will do the same. So lack of knowledge, lack of spiritual wisdom. That's only the problem.
Okay, when we are doing meditation, okay, but how the whole like city or country people, how they transform from this state to very humble state? Like everywhere we are seeing these things are happening.
Yeah.
Man into man conflict, man and animal conflict,
Mm.
animal to man conflict. These are leading to very much cruelty.
So that is what
So,
yesterday, if we remember, so we have some statement from one of the spiritual scientists that once we stop killing the animals, so then only we can see the whole earth is changed. And once everybody become vegetarian, then we can see that the humanity in a different level. So that is what the reality is. So without having, okay, the spiritual wisdom or awareness or meditation and being a vegetarian, so these things keep on happening. So to just to reduce, then automatically we just have to, mm, we it, that is where, right? See, if you see before 10 years, okay, there is a very less number of people doing meditation or understanding the sessions. Or before 15 years, nobody was there. But now slowly it is increasing. No, it increases slowly. It comes to a state that where everybody change. There's no doubt in that.
okay.
We have to wait for that moment. We are also waiting for that moment to happen. Okay, sooner or later we are waiting for that to happen. That is going to happen because so many spiritual masters are working on this earth and in India mostly. So that is going to happen for sure.
Yes, yes. Actually, even I wanted to part of this, like spreading meditation or
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
yeah. If you can able to give any opportunity like this, please, I'm always ready for it.
sure, madam.
Yeah. Thank
Okay,
thank
thank
you.
you, madam. Thank you. Yeah, I think yeah. So two more raised your hand. Can you please raise your hand now? I'll unmute. Yeah, please unmute now yourself. Ram, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hi sir,
Hi, Ram.
thanks for giving long session.
Thank you very much, Ram.
Yeah, initially I was sitting and doing meditation.
Okay.
Initially it was came thoughts came like coming and going.
Hmm.
Later on, I went to sleep mode. Like
Hmm.
I don't know whether I went to thoughtless state or sleep mode.
Hmm.
Just sitting and moving front and again coming straight. So
Hmm.
I I have a doubt like whether it is thoughtless stage or sleeping whether while
See,
doing
if you are, yeah, are you being in the awareness that time?
yes, yeah,
If you are in the, if you are being in the awareness, that is a thoughtless stage only. When you are in the sleep, you won't be in the awareness state.
okay. I'm listening that music and
Yeah,
I'm
then that is only a thoughtless stage because if you are in the being in the awareness state, that is a thoughtless state. Okay, so if you are not being in the awareness state, okay, then that is a sleep.
okay,
Yeah, that is a simple thing. See, being in the meditation, we will be in the awareness state. Okay, in the sleep, no awareness state.
okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Yeah, there is one more participant also. Moto E4 plus, I think. Sir, can you please raise your hand? So I will unmute. Okay. All right. Any other sharings? Okay, there is a question, I think. Yeah. So you are telling about the news things. So, okay. Yeah. Yeah, please. Hello. Okay. So you were telling about news things. So is it wrong to hear the news? Should we be aware of what's happening around us? Should not. Okay, no. See, I was talking about that we should listen to the news. Gee, see, let me give an example. Till 2016, we don't have a TV in our home. Okay. In 2016, only first time we bought the TV in our home. So before that, we don't have a TV, but we are getting the news like with a radio or something, right? So the later on, the people used to watch only 30 minutes news in the night, 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Now, morning to evening, if I go to anybody's home, right, just they are keeping the news channel. Morning to evening, they are seeing the breaking news. That creates a fear. That creates anxiety. That creates what's happening, what the ministers are doing, what chief minister is doing, what prime minister is doing. So they are doing their best, but we feel that okay, they are not doing as expected. So then we start getting irritation on them. We try to change the whole world, but we are not ready to change. So instead of that, we must be aware what's happening in the world, but not so much. You listen to a news for 1 hour or 30 minutes in a day, nothing wrong. I also watch the news in my mobile or in the TV. Okay, maybe for 30 minutes maximum in a day, nothing wrong, which is required for you or being in the awareness. Not too much, right? So if you are too much involved, that is you are disturbing yourself. So you should be in awareness that what's linking with you, what's not linking with you. So what's required and what is not required. So that you have to do, you must do. See, if we are not a news reporter to listen to all the TV channels, all the news for okay 10 hours for a day, which is does not make any sense. That is what I mean to say. So answer to the Karim question that how it can the thoughts can be reduced, the thoughts will be reduced slowly daily, right? So automatically once we are being into the meditation, automatically thoughts will reduce day by day, day by day, day by day. So this is going to happen. Okay. So thank you very much to everyone. And now right now I wanted to hear the experience from my team, that Hetanshi madam, because she is working a lot for these sessions and she's preparing the flyers and promoting this and sending messages in the WhatsApp group. And I wanted to hear her experience. Madam, please unmute yourself and please share your experience. Yes, madam. Are you there? Okay, I think she is not there. Tomorrow she will share her experience. So any more questions, my dear friends? Or anyone want to share your experience, please? Okay, all right. My dear friends, thank you all. Thank you very much. We all will see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thank you very much to everybody.